Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Pisces. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energies, for your love energy and your career situation, guys. So first for your daily reading. So these are for your daily energy, for your career situation and your relationship. We'll be picking one card each, guys, from the other deck. So I'll be randomly picking those cards, guys. This is for your career situation and this is for your relationship, guys. So we will open these cards now. First, Pisces, 10 of swords in reverse, 3 of swords in reverse and the sun. So with these cards, guys, the energy for y'all in your situation, guys, maybe in your life, in your career or in your personal life, you are enjoying some kind of success, profits or advantage in your situation. Maybe some collaborations, some business collaborations, whatever you are expecting, that is coming towards you. All your dreams and goals, you are seeing that you are reaching that. That is what I see. And also for some of you, there may be situation or people who are distracting you from your maybe some distractions are there in your career or in your personal life. Maybe people visiting you, some friends or some family members, maybe some distant relatives, their visit, it may be distracting you guys from your work or your relationship. So you may not be able to meet this person you are in relationship with, or maybe in your work situation you may not be able to concentrate on your work because of this visit or some guests at home. So that is what I see here. But with this card, guys, this is a very positive card here, Pisces. I see here that things are going in a very positive way. You have that happiness, that determination and confidence in yourself. So whatever is that situation you are facing right now, you are able to make that right efforts to overcome all those obstacles and move forward in your life. So you are able to see success within reach, guys. So all that obstacles you are facing, Pisces, you may be able to overcome that very easily. That is what I see with these cards, guys. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. Flexible. So with this card, guys, Pisces, the energy is that in your career situation, guys, you are trying to be really adaptable in your situation. You are having that open-mindedness. You are maintaining that awareness in your situation. So when you do that, you will be able to reach greater potential, guys. That is what this card is about. So maybe sometimes you may want to go in a particular way. You may want something or you may want to take up some choice, but things may go the other way, guys. Maybe in your career or in your business, there may be other opportunities or offers opening up what you never expected. So you need to take those opportunities, guys, instead of waiting for what you were planning for yourself. You need to grab those choices, whatever is coming your way. You have to be really flexible, adapt to that new things that are coming today towards you. Maybe sometimes that will unleash a greater potential in yourself, and it will help you, it will give you that push towards success, guys, so that miraculous results. So you have to be really flexible. That is what this card is about for your career situation, guys. Maybe you are having some choices put forth before you and you are reluctant to take it up because it is not the choice of your dreams. But if you are adaptable, really flexible today, you will reach success very soon, guys. That is what this card is about. Let us see what is the other card. Yin. With this card, guys, for your relationship, we have this card. It just means that you need to be really receptive, guys. Let someone else make that first move. So maybe you are single. If you are single, you are open to a new relationship and you are interested in someone, you can just wait for that other person to come towards you. It just means that conscious allowing. Or maybe if you are already in a relationship with a person, sometimes you can let that other person decide, make some decisions, or allow them to tell you how they feel about you. So when you allow that other person to make that efforts or voice out their thoughts, you will be pleasantly surprised, guys. You will be able to know what they have deep in their mind, in their heart of hearts. So you just have to be open and ready to receive that happiness that is coming your way today, guys. So not always we need to be the first person to make some decisions or make that first move or make those efforts. So sometimes we have to let that other person whom we are in connection with to make that move. When we hand over the reins to the other person, it will help us move closer to the dreams that we have for ourselves and this person in our connection, guys. So that is what this card is about, Pisces, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Pisces.